Welcome back to the channel. This is OG Superfly Garage, aka James Brown. As you guys can probably remember with the Rustic Fox, I went to that shop, that one video that I had. Car ran like crap and it died on me 3 times on the freeway. Well, I actually took it back to them because they wanted it back to try and fix what they did wrong. Well, that didn't work. Obviously, after they kept it for a month. So that leads us to that short video that you guys saw. This is so embarrassing. This is unbelievable. Where it wouldn't go into gear for anything in the world. Well, it was a clutch cable. It was a new clutch cable that they supposedly installed. Well, obviously they didn't do it right. So I ordered a new clutch cable that was gonna go in the Black Widow, but now it's gonna go into the Rustic Fox, hopefully today. So anyway, there's a few mods that we have to do to the cable first in order for it to fit into the Firewall adjuster. This came from Hanlon Motorsports. I have the cable. And we also have the Firewall adjuster. This is gonna actually lock in place so it won't keep slipping out of adjustment, which is what happened before. I really just don't think they installed it properly. The mod that we have to do to this cable in order for it to fit into the Firewall adjuster, this metal piece here has to come off. Because it's going into this, that part has to come off. We're gonna have to cut these tabs off. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. There are some tabs that we have to grind off in order to get this off, in order for it to fit in here. Now that fits on there. And when you adjust it, it puts tension on the cable as you screw this out or in. The modification is done. Next step, head to the storage unit where the Rustic Fox is kept. All right, so here we are at the storage facility with the Rustic Fox to change the clutch cable. So this is where it goes into the Firewall, and it comes out, goes underneath the car to the clutch fork. The problem is that this comes out of adjustment. I had to get my jump box because the battery was obviously totally dead. So I'm sure everybody knows what this is. It's just a basic jump box. I fully charged it, so hopefully it will work. Look at him. Things like that to put a smile on your face.
And I had to come see it. Beautiful. Thank you. Absolutely gorgeous. She's dirty for a Ford.
I can't reach the quadrant with the seat in. I'm not that tiny. You guys excuse the car, I know it's filthy. But you know, it's been in the shop and all this stuff, so it needs work. Look, they didn't even put this back correctly. So, anyway, we'll get it all straight. The reason why I need these is because the quadrant, as you guys may know, is held in by 2 pins. So I'm under here looking for the clutch quadrant. Oh, there it is, way the heck up there. This cheap aftermarket clutch quadrant, single hook. Anyway, I got that out, got this out. This was extremely difficult. Can't really always heat the car. So it's a little bit more difficult too. This is the Firewall adjuster, the old one. So it's out. Get the new parts. These are the shims or washers that they use for shims. 3 of these. This is the 3-hook quadrant. So it goes like this. And I'll put it on the first hook closest to me. So this goes down below. This is one I wish I had tiny hands. I hate this. I can't freaking my hands to work right on here. Come on, dude, I'm running out of time. Can't get my hands to work right.